Hello everyone! On this video, I will show you how to make cute hedgehog puppets with yarn pom-poms and cardboard. And these are the materials you will need for this fun craft. Let's start with making the pom-poms. First, choose your colors. Stick them between the two toilet paper rolls and start wrapping the yarns around the rolls. On this craft, I am showing you how to make two colored pom-poms. You may add more colors if you like to make multicolored pom-poms. Also, remember, the more you wrap, the fluffier your pom-pom becomes. And you may use this easy pom-pom making method on other crafts you make. When you are done with wrapping, cut a piece of yarn, wrap it between the rolls, take out the rolls, and tie two ends of the yarn. Now it's time to cut and trim the yarn so that it becomes a tight, nice looking pom-pom. When you are done, you will have lots of trimmed pieces of yarn. Do not throw them away. Keep them in a box or a bag to use them on other crafts. They will make excellent fillings for puppets and fluffy handmade toys. Now draw the body on a cardboard and cut it out. Draw a circle to make the head. Cut a piece of the circle, roll it up to make a cone-like shape, and add a rectangle to attach the head to the body. Draw and color the eyes, make a little black nose, color the cheek, and glue the head to the body. And then glue the pom-pom on the body you just made. You may use your cute hedgehogs as it is, or you may glue them on a stick as I did, to play with them as puppets. If you enjoyed this craft, go ahead and hit the like button and share it with your friends. And here is a couple of more cute crafts videos from my channel. You may continue watching one of them. And if you are not a subscriber to my channel, please subscribe now, as I'll be uploading easy to make, fun to play with craft videos every week. See you on my next video. Bye!